Never throw away orange peels again because it will help you keep your whole house smelling fresh and bug-free. Many people think store air fresheners work better because they smell strong, but most of that is just pricey chemicals that might make you sick. This one is safe, affordable, and you can make it in minutes with ingredients you already have at home. Start with a clean container. Add the peels from one orange. Add 50 milliliters of vinegar. Now comes the part that makes all the difference. Pour in 50 milliliters of alcohol and 50 milliliters of liquid soap. Fill the rest with water. Close the lid and shake it well with your hands until everything mixes together. You'll notice the scent right away. Let it rest for an hour and then pour it into a spray bottle and use it anywhere. Spray it on your counter or living room. The alcohol disinfects. The vinegar cuts grease, and the orange oils leave a natural shine and repel insects. Your whole house will stay clean and smell wonderful for days.